In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished social media post right from your Etsy shop dashboard. First, head to Etsy.com and sign into your shop so you can access your seller tools. From the top or left navigation, open Shop Manager. This is your command center for everything you manage on Etsy, and it's where the social posting tool lives. If you manage more than one shop, make sure the correct shop is active before moving on. Inside Shop Manager, look for Marketing, then select Social Media. This section lets you craft and share promotional posts to your connected channels without leaving Etsy, which saves time and keeps your branding consistent across platforms. Click Create Post to start. Etsy may offer a few ways to build a post. For this walkthrough, we're creating one from scratch. Click. Next to open a blank canvas where you'll add your content and messaging. Now, add an image. Choose a high-quality photo that clearly shows what you're promoting. A best-selling listing, a new arrival, or a timely promotion. Bright, well-lit images with clean backgrounds perform best. If you're posting to multiple platforms, a square or vertical crop generally looks good in most feeds. Make sure the subject is centered so it won't get cut off in previews. Next, write the caption for your post. Keep it friendly and informative. Briefly describe what makes the item special, who it's perfect for, and include a simple call to action, like "Shop now in my Etsy store." If you use hashtags on certain platforms, add a few relevant ones, but keep them concise so the caption stays readable. Double-check for typos and clarity. Clear copy helps convert views into clicks. When your image and caption look good, click Next. This moves you to the sharing screen where you'll choose where the post goes. Select your preferred social media accounts from the options shown. Pick the channels that make sense for your audience, and ensure your caption tone feels right for all selected platforms. If you see a preview, glance at it to confirm the crop and text look clean. Finally, click Post and continue. Etsy will publish your post to the accounts you selected and bring you back to the social media area so you can keep promoting. That's it. Quick recap. You opened Shop Manager, went to Marketing, chose Social Media, created a post from scratch, added an image, wrote a clear caption, clicked Next, selected your social accounts and posted. For best results, keep your visuals bright and on brand. Post at times your audience is most active and refine your captions based on what performs well over time.